Easy tips to look clean and put together. Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought to yourself, I need to step up my style and look more presentable? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to look clean and put together without spending too much. Looking clean and put together involves a combination of grooming, clothing choices, and overall presentation of yourself. So if you want to appear clean and neat, then this video is for you. Let's start. Personal grooming. Personal grooming involves a range of activities that contribute to an individual's overall cleanliness, health, and confidence. Take a shower, put on some deodorant, and brush your teeth. Those things are essential. Keep your skin clean and moisturized. Use a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen to protect your skin. Style your hair neatly. Whether you prefer short or long hair, keep it clean and well maintained. Regular haircuts or trims help maintain a polished look. Maintain a clean nails. Paint your nails nude, beige, or French tips for a classy look. If you wear makeup, choose natural and subtle tones for a polished appearance. Clothing. Every good outfit starts with the basics. Invest in a few basic pieces that you can mix and match with different outfits such as plain white tops, button-up shirts, and plain hoodies. Black and white is a classic color combination that always looks good. Invest in some basic black and white pieces that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. Or you can choose a color palette that complements your skin tone and personal style. Opt for classic and timeless styles that don't go out of fashion quickly. Avoid overly trendy items that might look outdated soon. Wear clothes that fit well. Avoid overly baggy or tight clothing. Tailored outfits can give a more put-together look. Don't forget to iron or steam your clothes to remove wrinkles before wearing them. For accessories, watches, belts, and scarves can elevate your outfit. Keep them simple and in line with your overall look. And for footwear, choose clean and well-maintained footwear that matches your outfit. Shoes or heels should be appropriate for the occasion. Minimalism and attention to detail. Keep your overall look simple and elegant. Avoid excessive accessories or overcomplicated outfits. Pay attention to small details like matching belt and shoe colors, ensuring buttons are fastened, and tucking in your shirt if needed. Apply a subtle amount of fragrance such as cologne or perfume to enhance your overall presentation. Avoid overpowering scents. Confidence. Confidence contributes to how you carry yourself, interact with others, and how you're perceived. Walk and speak with assurance, and maintain eye contact during conversations. Stand and sit with good posture. This exudes confidence and adds to your overall appearance. Lastly, don't forget to smile. A warm smile and friendly demeanor can make you instantly more approachable and put together. Remember that looking clean and put together isn't about adhering to strict rules, but rather about presenting yourself in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Adapt these tips to your personal style and preferences for the best results.